Hi, I'm Lucas Volger, and today I'm going to make my peanut butter and greens sandwich, which is a recipe from my new cookbook, Start Simple. So this recipe uses one of the base recipes in Start Simple for marinated greens. And the whole idea with marinated greens is that you're getting home from the grocery store or the farmer's market with these big, bulky bunches of kale or Swiss chard or whatever kind of greens you're buying. And rather than trying to cram them into your fridge, you're going to deal with them all at once. We're going to clean them, cook them, season them, pack them into a nice little Tupperware so that they're ready to go whenever it's time to eat. So we're going to take two big bunches of hearty greens. We've got some kale here and some Swiss chard. You need to trim off the stems and then just cut everything down to some slightly smaller pieces. Let that swirl for a minute, just until fragrant. You can use tongs to just gently move things around, but it'll start compressing pretty quickly. Season with just a little bit of salt. So once the greens are cooked, pull them all to one end of the skillet and tilt it up like this, and then use a wooden spoon or a spatula and press on them with a good amount of force to just extract the water and the liquid that's in them. And then you're just going to pour that off. These are the marinated greens, so you could just pack these up in Tupperware and leave them in the fridge for up to a week. Now we're going to use them to make the peanut butter and greens sandwich. I've just pulled together the ingredients that we've got for the rest of the sandwich. We've got our sandwich bread, we've got a little bit of sliced scallion, some peanut butter, some sriracha, and then some salt and pepper and olive oil that we'll need in order to grill the sandwich. Spread one piece of the bread with a layer of peanut butter. Then you'll top that with 1/4 to 1/3 cup of those marinated greens. I like a good amount of sriracha on this sandwich. I'm going to sprinkle with a little bit more salt, give it a few grinds of black pepper, and that's it. Use the spatula to press down to encourage it to crisp a little bit. While it's still hot, slice it in half. So that's my peanut butter and green sandwich from my cookbook, Start Simple. Every chapter in Start Simple is devoted to a different everyday ingredient. This one comes from my hearty greens chapter. I hope you enjoy.